What is that, River?
A lot of fishes.
It's a goldfish.
A lot of fishes.
It's a lot of fishes.
It's a lot of fishes.
Whoa, whoa.
Look at the dogs.
Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Do y'all think Mr. Tickles needs a wife?
Yes.
No.
Just kidding.
They look like little rockets. They are really cat.
Oh, cool. Hey, do you want to go see the snakes and the lizards?
Wait, where are they?
Come on, I'll show you.
Mama,
This way.